my name is Sarah Kelly. I teach 4th grade in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is my second year using smart technology in the classroom. Now, this particular lesson is on the 3 types of rocks. Before my students get to this lesson, though, they've already observed 12 rocks. The objective here is to classify rocks and rock-forming minerals using student-made rules. And I'm hoping that they learn how to determine the properties of the rocks, how rocks are formed, and how do scientists actually classify the rocks. The first 3 slides are descriptions of the 3 types of rocks. After the descriptions, the students will have a chance to guess what type of rock this is. Then they can click to see if they are correct. And on this particular slide, I actually have a link to a video that is about volcanoes. It's a catchy little tune. We probably watch it one time through, and then the second time, I let the kids sing along with them. And after we calm down from singing and having so much fun learning about the volcanoes, we'll go on to the next slide. Once again, it's going to give a description. And then, who am I? They would make their guess. We would check our answer. And same thing. 3 types of rocks. Check our answer. So then the next slide, using the vocabulary that's been in the previous 3 slides, they will be able to match vocabulary with the definition. I'm just going to throw some over really quickly so we can check. Okay, they'd be able to check their answers. Anything that they might have wrong, they would be able to change, such as move it down. If it's correct now, the check mark will be a check instead of an X. Okay. Reinforcing vocabulary in a fun, innovative way. So in this last one, these are the 12 rocks that we observed in the classroom. We've discussed now the properties of the 3 types of rocks, and I'm hoping that they can go ahead and classify them. So they would come up, it's a matching game, limestone and sedimentary. So they would have to think about what were the properties of sedimentary, what other rocks have those properties. They're using their notes and their observations. Keep on going. And then, if they make a mistake, they would just cover that back up. The next person would come up and try to make a match. And so on. Okay. The final slide I actually found through Smart Technologies. It was not one that I made. It's interactive, and it introduces the rock cycle, which would be our next major lesson. And then lastly, after we finish going through the rock cycle, sometimes I usually have a quiz that follows, and we use the Smart Response clickers to go ahead, get the results quick, and see what it is that I might need to go back over. So using this, I believe the kids are more apt to pay attention. They love the interaction. You use your textbooks just for a reference. Smart Technology is the way to go. Thank you for your time.